I'm Cecile.
And I'm Fanny. We are the founder of La Petite Creme.
I'm an engineer and a birth doula.
I'm a birth doula and a postpartum doula.
And we are both from France, as you may guess from the accent. And when we got to the US, we figured out that there is something very interesting that French people do differently from American parents, which is changing a diaper. Because yes, in France, French moms don't use baby wipes. So Fanny is going to show you how in France, in hospital, you teach parents how to change a diaper without wipes.
So we use a diapering lotion. So when you have a diaper to change, you apply the lotion on a cotton pad. This one is disposable, can be a cloth also. You apply the lotion on it and it becomes your wipes. Then you will clean the baby with the lotion and the pad. And you see when I wipe Cecile's hand, the shiny layer that stay on her hand, that will be the same on the baby's skin. So you clean and you protect at the same time.
And that layer that stays here, that's a mix of olive oil and beeswax. And those two combined will create a barrier. So next time you have pee or poop, it's not sitting directly in contact with the skin. So that does the 3 steps of diapering, which are cleaning, protecting and repairing the skin in one single product. Even better, this product only has 6 ingredients. So it's really using the bare minimum to give the maximum effect. So your customer are more likely to enjoy diaper rash-free experience and a streamlined diapering process.
You can join us and apply to our referral program and spread the word about this fantastic product that will make every baby in America diaper rash-free.
Merci.
Bye.